Hello, my dears. Good afternoon. How are you today? Fine. Thank you. Very good. Okay, we have made after a very after a long time we have met. No, after exam we have met today. Okay, how was your exam? Tell me, how was your exam? You have done good? Very good. Okay, so after exam, we will start our lecture. Okay, so which lecture is this? This is English lecture. Okay, and in which class you are? Tell me, in which class you are? You are in nursery. In which class you are? You are in nursery. Okay. We have learned formations of many letters. We have learned formations of many letters. So today we will learn formation of letter V. Today we will learn formation of letter V. Okay, V for vase. V for vase. V for van. V for van. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. V for vegetables. Yes. And V for, tell me, V for vegetables, V for vase, V for van, V for, yes, do you know anything? V for, yes, V for violet color. Which color? Violet color. V for violet color. Okay, so before writing, we will do one activity. What you have to do? You have to do one activity. Okay, you have to write in your notebook letter V. What you have to write? You have to write letter V. Okay, so how you will make letter V? Slanting line, slanting line. How you will make letter V? Slanting line, slanting line. How? Slanting line, slanting line. How you will make V? Slanting line, slanting line. Which letter will form? V. Look here. V. Slanting line and slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. V for victory. V for victory. V. Which letter is this? V. Look here. Slanting line, slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. Okay. So today we will start to write letter V. Before that we will do some activity. Okay. What you have to do? You have to first write V on your notebook in a page. Okay. And you have to take this earbud. What is this? This is a earbud. Okay. With the help of earbud, we will make letter V. Okay. For the standing line, which line is this? Standing line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. And look here. And this is slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Look here, slanting line, slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. Slanting line, slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. Look here, letter V. Yes. Which letter is this? V. V for vase. V for van. V for victory. V for violet color. Yes. So what we will do? We will stick this slanting line on the paper And you have to stick this paper in your notebook. What is this? This is earbud. What is this? This is a earbud. So what we have to do? We have to stick this earbud in a notebook. And which letter will fall? You have to stick in a slanting way. In a slanting way. Look here, V. Look here, V. V for victory. Okay. So what we have to do? First we have to write letter V on the paper. Okay. And after that, take a glue or Fevicol and paste here. Put the Fevicol or glue on the paper. Yes. Now what you have to do? You have to stick this earbud on the paper and you have to make letter V. What you have to do? You have to make letter V with the help of earbud. Look here. Which letter is formed? Letter V. V for victory. How you say when you take selfie? So what you say? You say victory. You take a selfie like this, na? Like this, like this. So what you make letter? Which letter you make? You make letter V. So V for victory. V for van. V for vase. V for vegetables. And V for violet color. Which color? Violet color. Okay. And what you have to do in this V. Which letter is this? This is V. In next letter V, you have to stick. You have to stick the vegetables in the. What you have to do? You have to stick the vegetable or you have to draw the vegetable in this letter V. In this letter V. Look here. What you have to do? You have to stick the letter. You have to stick the vegetables. Picture of vegetables. You have to stick the picture of vegetable or you have to stick the picture of vegetable or you can draw the vegetable also. In this letter V. In this letter V, you have to stick the picture of vegetables. All vegetables, might be potatoes, might be brinjal, onion, cabbage, anything. Okay. And you have to stick picture inside this letter V. How you will write letter V? Slanting line and slanting line. Slanting line and slanting line. Slanting line down and then slanting line up. Slanting line down and slanting line up. So which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter will form? Letter V. Look here. Slanting line down and slanting line up. So which letter will form? Letter V. Okay. In next page, make 3 columns. How many columns you have to make? 3 columns. Okay. In 3 columns you have to make in page. In one page you have to stick this earbud in form of letter V, and in other letter V you have to first finger on the letter V, slanting line down, slanting line up. So which letter will form? Letter V. Okay. And you have to stick pictures of vegetables in this letter V. Okay. Or you can draw the picture also of in letter B. You can draw brinjal. Okay. You can draw potato. You can draw onion. You can draw pumpkin. Okay, so many vegetables you can draw. Okay, now we will start to write letter V. How you have to write letter V? Look here. How you have to write letter V? Look here. Dots were given. Okay, two dots were given on the upper line and one dot is given on the center. Where? On the center. So first you have to, from upper dot you have to write slanting line and downwards, from upward to down and from downwards to up. So which letter will form? Letter V. From up dot, look here. From up dot you have to come down like this slanting line, and from down dot you have to go upward. Okay, so which letter will form? Letter V. Letter V will form. Okay, so look here. Tell your mama to draw the dots, and first you trace on the dot and after that you start writing. Okay, so look here, look here, look here, trace slanting line down and then slanting line up. So which letter will form? Letter V. V for vase. What we do? We keep flower in the vase. We keep flower in the vase. Okay. Then V for van. V for vegetables. V for violet color. V for victory. Okay. Then next. Write neatly from dot to dot. Yeah. Slanting line down, slanting line up. Okay. Slanting line down, slanting line up. So which letter will form? V. Which letter is this? V. Okay. V. Which letter is this? V. Okay, what you have to do? You have to write in your notebook. Okay, with the help of your parents. Again, look here. From your dots were given now. Look, your dots are given. First, you have to trace the line. What you have to do? You have to trace it, and after that, you have to write from the dot. Okay, look here. From upward to downward slanting line and from down to up slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter will form? Letter V. Now in next line. Look here. How you will write? Now in next line how you will write? Look here. From upper line to base line, down, then up. Okay. Which letter will form? V. V for vase, V for van, V for vegetables, V for violet color, and V for victory. Okay. Okay. Next again. We will start writing from upward to down, slanting line, and from down to up, slanting line. So which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter will form? Letter V. Very good. Again we will try to write. Look here. From slanting line up to down and from down to up. Which letter will form? V. Which letter will form? V. Okay. V. Which letter will form? V. V. Okay. Again, look here. Now dots were given. You have traced the line. Now dots were given. Look here. Dots. Two dots were given on the first line, upper line. And one dot is given on the base line. Where? On the base line. So how you will write letter V? Look here, these dots were given. Yes, now start to write letter V from upper dot to next dot and from next dot to upper dot. So which letter is formed? Letter V. Which letter is this? Letter V. Okay. Now we'll start writing from the dots. Okay. Now look here. From upper dots to down dots, slanting line. Okay. And from down to up, slanting line. So which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter will form? Letter V. V for vase, V for van, V for vegetables, V for violet color. Okay? Good. Very good. Again, look here. Dots were given. Yes. Ask your mama to draw the dots. Okay, tell your mama to draw the dots and after that you start writing. Good? Yes, my kids, you are so smart and lovely kids. Okay, look here. Slanting line and after that upward slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter is this? V. How you write letter V? Slanting line, down, slanting line, up, slanting line, down, slanting line, up, slanting line. Like this you have to write. Down, slanting line, up, slanting line. Okay. Again, dots were given. Look here, dots were given. Dots were given, so write from the dot down, then up. Which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter will form? Letter V. Okay. You have to write full page. What you have to write? You have to write full page nicely and neatly. Okay? Yes. When you send your notebooks to me, that time I will give you smile, okay, chocolates. Okay, again, last line we will start to write from dot to dot, okay, from upward to downward and downwards to upward. Which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter is this? Letter V. Again, from up to down and down to up. Which letter will form? Letter V. Which letter is this? Letter V. V for vase, V for van, V for vegetable, V for violet. Okay. Again, from upward to downward, slanting line, and from downwards to upward, slanting line. Which letter will form? Letter V. Okay. V for vase, V for van, V for vegetable, V for violet color. Okay. What you have to do? You have to write in your notebook. Okay. And this is the birds, earbuds. Earbuds, you have to stick the earbud in the form of letter V. Okay. And in next V, what you have to do? You have to stick the picture of vegetable inside the V, or you can draw the vegetable and color it. Okay. You can draw the vegetable and color it inside this letter V. Okay. So what we have learned? Today we have learned formation of letter V. This is capital V. Okay. You don't know how to write? Did you know? Yes. Once again I will show you. Okay. Once again I will show you. Look here. This is your 4-line notebook. Okay. 4-line notebook. Okay. And on the upper line 2 dots were given. How many dots were given? 2. And in lower line 1 dot is given. Look here. You can see the dot? Yes. So what you have to do? You have to write from upper line to down line, slanting line downwards, and from downwards to upward. Okay. So which letter will form? Letter V. Okay. So write neatly and properly in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Them neatly. You have to write neatly in your notebook this letter, and you have to do this activity in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Send me the videos and pics of your activity and your formation of letter V. Okay. Till then, bye and have a nice day.